Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a DualSense Edge wireless PlayStation controller, Sony controller, and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now this is not a reset that's going to affect any of the pairing or profile settings or anything like that. It's basically a forced power cycle of it. If you're having any issues with it, where it's not responding, it's bugging, maybe it's not connecting or any issues like that, this reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now how we're going to do that is we are going to find the reset button on the back of the controller, which right above it says Sony here. Right above it you'll see there's this little hole here. You're going to need a paper clip to press it. But before you do that, you're going to turn off the PS5 and then you're going to press that. Once it's off, you're going to press this reset button just for 1 second. Once that happens, you're going to want to actually physically connect this controller to your PS5 console that came with the controller, and then press the PS button, and that will get everything back connected and everything like that, and that should fix whatever issues you are having.